Okay students, so let's go, and then this is the second part of this lecture. So you can just simply come here. I will start from the same point wherever we stopped. So you can simply come here, write 1 here, and you can see at the right bottom corner of this cell you can see a plus sign is here. But if you hold on control with this, I mean simply if you drag it here, so it will write 111 for you. It means that it will copy the same data again and again, but we don't want 111, we want a proper serial that is 123. So I will press control with Z, so it will come back again over here, and then you can simply come here and at this bottom of the corner hold on control key from the here. So if you press control key, you can see another small plus here, right? And then drag it down wherever you like, leave it there. So if you do like this, it will write from 1 to 10 over here. Simply if you have more rows over here, so you can simply come here, hold on control key, and then go wherever you like, leave it there, right? So it will write the same serial number for you. Now I need from 1 to 10, so I will just come here and drag it 1 to 12 over here, so it will give you exactly the same numbers. Similarly, I will come here now. You can similarly come here, select the table. I want to play a little bit with the table. What to do here now? For example, the same. If you want to design this table, you can simply come here. You can apply any writing style or font style from here, whatever you like. You can select from the list. It's the same like PowerPoint and Word that you are using. Similarly, for example, if you want to increase or decrease the size from here, so you can do the size, whatever size you want, you can adjust it here. If you want to make it, for example, bold, because this is my title, so I can make it bold. You can simply press Control with B as well. It's written in the notes, so please go back to the notes and open. So the tips and hints are written over there. Some shortcut keys are also added there, so you can see from there. Similarly, if you want to make it italic, Control with I, Control with U for underline, right? So these are the different shortcut keys you can use over here. Simply I will come here. Now I'm selecting the whole table from here. Now the most important is to apply lines over here in the borders over here, because we didn't yet apply the borders. If you print as it is the table, there will be no borders. These are imaginary lines only for the user. So I'm just going to select the whole table from here, and then you can simply click here and select all borders from here. So if you select all borders, the borders will be applied to your table. So this is a simple table now we created over here. Simply if you come here, if you want to apply different colors, let's say I want to apply the background color over here, so you'll have different colors. You can, if you don't want the colors from the list, you can click on more colors and then select any color from the list, whatever you like, and simply click on OK, so that would be added. Similarly, if you want to apply text color, you have here the option. You can use the text color. Let's say I want any other color, for example blue color, so you can apply over here. You can do the same for the rest of the table, but you need to select it like this. Now I will just simply come here. Here you can see the alignment of this. Top alignment is here. I will just increase the area of my row, and you can select the row. For example, if you click here the top, it will shift to the top. In the center it will shift to the center, and bottom it will shift to the bottom. So by default it's at the bottom actually, but if you like you can shift this as well. So similarly I will come here. I'm going to select the whole table again. From here you can simply come here. If you want to move the contents of the table towards the left side, so you can click here towards the left. In the center you can shift it towards the center, or towards the right side if you like to send, so you can send it towards the right as well. We have justify option as well, but justify is used for the paragraph. Justify means towards the right side or towards the left side. If you want to make a parallel line over here and straight lines in both the sides, you can use justify, but normally we are using this justify option in PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. So here in Excel we don't need this. That is control with J key you can use this. So here I can do the same from the keyboard as well. For example, towards the left side, if you want to use this, so you can use click on OK like this, and then you can use the shortcut key, but better to use over here the alignment at the top. I mean towards the left side, at the center, towards the right side. If you want, you can use this. Similarly, I will double click here to adjust my row once again over here. So this is how you can create a simple table over here. Now you can simply come here if you want, for example, to change the direction of the text. Let's say I will increase the size again. I'm going to select this. So you can simply come here for the direction. You have angle counterclockwise is here. Angle counterclockwise or anti-clockwise means opposite of the clock, yani opposite of sa. You can see the clock. It is opposite if you like. So you can move it. So counterclockwise will look like this. For example, angle clockwise towards the clock, towards the right side, it will look like this. Vertical will look like this. Rotate text towards upside, rotate text towards downside. So you have different options. You can do this. Format cell alignment if you want certain degrees for your cell alignment. So you can come here. By default it's on 0 like this, but if you want certain degrees, so you can come here, and for example I need 15 degrees, so I will set 15 from here. So you will see your text like this, but the best way is to keep it horizontally on 0 degrees. So this is the 0 degree. If you keep it here, you can adjust it from here as well, and then simply click on OK, so it will be adjusted. Now simply come here, double click on this because I want to adjust this. So this is how you can change the direction or the alignment of your text over here. Now as I said, here you have merge and center. For merge and center, if you make it like this, you can merge and center all of your text amongst the cell over here. Similarly, for example, if you want to wrap the text, so wrap text means it will not, if you double click here, it will not increase the size of the column. It will adjust in the same column. So if you click on this wrap text, it will look like this, but better to just come here and then double click on this, so it will be adjusted automatically over here. So this is how you can do this. Similarly, for example, if you have here the numbers, if you want to apply numbers, so these are the general numbers. Remember students, in general you can write text, you can write 1 2 3, any both you can write. No specific format is here, you can write whatever you like. Numbers are here. If you write apply numbers, it will add zeros over here. These are different formats. Currency is here, you can add currency over here. But if you sometimes maybe you need to change the currency, so by default system will give you dollar, but if you like to change, for example, you can come here and click more account formats. For example, I need Omani Rials instead of dollars, so I will click here and then press O from the keyboard. When you press O, OMR will appear here. Select OMR from here and then click on OK, so it will be added over here. So this is how, if you like to change the formats, you can change the formats as well from here, but better to keep the general over here. So these are different formats. If you want short text, long text, something like that, you can use this short text or long text as well over here. Time is here, percentage, fraction is given here. Whatever format you want, you can select from the list over here. So this is how you can do this. Now simply here, come here, conditional formats are here. We will study this conditional formats, and format is a table in the next lecture. So far I just wanted to teach you here how to create a table, so you can create a table by this way. If you have any queries, any questions, you are most welcome in the WhatsApp group. You can come to the group and ask me between 8 to 4 daily. You can ask, so I will be available over there. Thank you very much for watching this.